Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back. So in this video we're going to be doing the color swatches right here. So you can see this is basically a variable product, and this is how it's looking. So we've got the bundle, it says 16 GB with gift, 32 GB, and these are right here with the buttons. Same like this, we've got these right here, and these are the color, or basically the images right here, so the person can actually see what the seller is offering. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how we can go and how we can design this page. Now, you guys do know about a variable product. So if I just go and I just search for Samsung, and then we come up here and we take a look at this one is basically a variable product. You just go and you go down to see the product over here. You can see that this is how it's looking. So we have just got a drop down menu, and the person can select it and he can just add to cart, which is really not good. And I don't like the style, I don't like anything, because this is just a drop down menu, and this is really very simple. Now let's suppose that if you need it to be this way, how are you gonna do it? So you're just gonna have to install a plugin and it's gonna do the job. Now, what plugin you should be installing? So first of all, you have to go and you have to click add new to the plugin, and then you have to search for variation. And we're going to be installing the most popular plugin that's going on right now, and we're going to see which plugin we should be going up. So we've got this one that's there, and we've got this one which has got 100,000 installations along with the 5-star reviews, and they're all the 5-star reviews. So we're going to go and we're going to install this plugin, and we're going to hit activate, and this plugin gets activated. Now what you can do, you can go to the symbol and you can say that convert default drop downs to the button type. You can just click over here, you can hit the save changes, and now if you come up here and you just refresh this page, you will see that now we have got this thing. So congratulations, you are basically done with one thing, that is these buttons right here. So we are already getting these buttons. Now the main part is how we're going to make this particular thing to work, like how we can give actually the users the color option, so that the user can see the color and then he can select it. So how are we gonna able to do that? So for that, what you have to do, you have to basically create a custom variation or a custom attribute, and then you have to stick with it. So let me just show it to you, and then we're gonna move forward. First of all, you have to go to the products, and then you have to go to the attributes over here. Now this is basically an attribute section where you are going to define all the product attributes that you are going to add to your product. So let's suppose that your products will have sizes, your products will have custom colors, your products will have different things, so you can define this. So let's suppose that we define here the size. So we're gonna say here it's gonna be the size, and then what you can do, you can go and you can hit add attribute, and this is right here. And so we have got basically the size over here. Now what you can do, you can click configure items, and then you can define the sizes, that how many sizes will you be catering. So we've got small, you can click add new size, and we've got large. You can hit enter, so that is actually added, and then we've got the medium, and we've got extra large. So something like this, you can go and you can add so many of the sizes over here. So here I've basically aligned extra small, small, medium, large, and extra large. And now if you go to the attributes, you will see it to be like this. So we've got a size, and its type is basically a select type, and we've got it to be custom ordering, extra large, large, medium, small, extra small, and this is how basically it's gonna be ordered. Now if you go and you go to any of the product that we have added over here, so we're gonna be specifically looking to the products that caters the size. So you can see that these are just the technical products, but if you go down and if you go with any of the shirt or any other thing, let's suppose that we take a look at this long sleeves tee, and we just hit edit over here. Then you can see this is how it's looking. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna select it to be a variable product, and then you have to go to the attributes, and you have to just select size over here, and now you have to hit add. And once you hit add, you will see that you will be getting everything from here, and now you have to select that what are the sizes you will be catering. So let's suppose that we select small, and we need medium, and we need the large. So we need large, medium, and small, and we are going to be catering this. And now you can go, you can select used for variations. Now you can come up here and basically you have to save attributes first, and now here you have to go to the variations, and now you have to select create variation from all the attributes, and you're gonna want to have to hit go. So this is right here. You can see these are all the variations that are right here. Now what you can do, you can go and you can define the price. So we're gonna say this is gonna be for 12 bucks, this is gonna be for 10 bucks, and this is gonna be for 8 bucks. So we've got 8, 10, and 12 for the pricing respectively. Now you can go, you can hit update, and if you will visit the website, you will see that your website will be right here. This is how it's looking. So we've got large, we've got medium, and we've got small, and the person can select it, and the prices are right here. Now, let's suppose that you want to show an icon over here, or instead of this, you want to show anything else. Then what you're going to do, you're not going to go to this particular product, you're not going to edit this product. All you got to do is to go to the attributes, and this is basically the size. And you have to click edit, and in here, you can select whether you need a color, whether you need an image, or whether you need a button. So what you can do, you can select it to be a button over here, and then you can hit update. And now if you will come up here and you will refresh this, then you can see these are actually the buttons right here. So you don't have to worry. Basically, when we selected the variation right here and we select that we need to convert the default drop downs to button type, we basically did that for all the products. So if you uncheck it now, and if you come up here and you refresh this right now, you will see the buttons here. But if you come up here and you refresh this particular Samsung over here, you refresh this, you will see the drop down here, because we have not differentiated, we have not basically added the button over here. So this is basically a drop down over here. So that's what I wanted to tell you. This is basically a one part that is called the buttons. Same like this, what you can do is that instead of the buttons over there, you can also choose an image. And once you choose the image and then you go and you hit update, you will see that for all the attributes, you will be able to upload a custom image that will be added there, like here. So now what you can do, you can go to the photopea.com, and here you can go, you can create a new project, and you can set this to basically 64 pixels by 64 pixels. And now you can go and you can hit create. So once you create it, you can see it's right here. Now you can add a text element over here, and you can type here S. So this S is right here. So now what you can do, you can work with the sizing, you can align this anywhere you want. You can just select it all. You can choose any other font if you want to use over here. So you've got this Montes over here. You can choose this particular font as well. Like this is how the S is going to be. And same like this, you can choose pretty well so many fonts that you want to use. So yeah, we're going to be using the Montserrat over here. And now you can work with the sizing of it. So you can click over here and you can increase it like how much you need. And now you can align this to wherever you want. So you can just keep it this way. And something like this, you can increase the size more if you want to increase it. And this is how basically it's done. And now you're going to want to have to click over here so that this is how it's looking. And now what you can do, you can click over here. You can export this as a PNG or a JPEG. And you can export it right here. And you can hit the save over here. So this is right here. Now once you've got this, all you've got to do is to click over here. And you have to change this to basically medium. And you have to align this again. And now here you have to basically export this as a JPEG as well. And you've got this one and this one. Same like this, you're going to do it for all the images. That is going to be small, medium, and large, and XL and XS. And so now here you can see that I've got all the images right here. So now here you can see that the files were downloaded using the TXT extension. And so what I did, I basically changed the extension to the JPEG so that these are the images coming right now. Now, once you've got the images right there, all you gotta do is to just upload the images to the respective sizes. So you're gonna wanna have to edit it, and you have to upload the image. And now here you have to drag the images. So first we've got the small, then we've got the medium, and then we've got the large, then we've got the extra small, and now here we've got the extra large. So we've got this. And now we have to check which is the one we're editing. So we are first editing the small. So we're going to want to have to select S from here. And now we have to hit update over here. Now, once you've got the image for the first one ready, if you go and you go back to the size attributes, you will see that the small will be here. And now you have to do everything for the respective images right here. So now, once you've got the images respectively added for every of the product, for the large, there's L, for medium, there's M, for small, there's S, and everything right here. Now, if you go and you click over here, and now if you refresh this page, you will see that there will be respective images right here. And if you hover your mouse, it just tells you that what it is. So here we've got the size. It says LMS. That's Learning Management System. Okay, and so you can select it, you can select it, you can select it, and these are all the right here. Same like this, if you now click Edit Product over here, and let's suppose that you get one more product, then you are gonna want to have to set this. You're gonna have to select the one that you added. So you can select extra large, and then you can hit Save Attributes, and now you can go to the variations. And here's going to be every variation right here. So now you can click basically add variation, and you're going to want to have to hit go. And now you have to select the one that you have added. So we have added the extra large, and now you can add a different price for it. So you can just set this to 15. And now if you click update, and now if you will come up here and you will refresh this, you will see that here will be the XL as well. And these are all in the order right here. So XL, L, M, and S. And this is how basically it's looking. So this is really a great thing that you can use as a variable products that I would recommend you to use it. And most of the websites do use it. Like you can see, this is how it's looking. So now let's go and let's talk about the color right here. So for the color, you can see they are using the image, and this is actually the image that is being used over here. But we're going to be talking, like, let's suppose that if you want to show a color over here specifically, then what you can do. So basically, what you can do is that you can still go to the photo P over here, and you can basically use a color. You can fill that color with the color that you are using. Or what you can do is that you can add the color. So you can see that we added the size attribute in the attributes. Now let's suppose that if you want to entertain the color over here. Now in the color, you're going to want to have to select the color, and you have to hit attribute over here. Add attribute. Now once you've got this attribute, all you got to do is to just click configure items, and now you have to basically add the color name. So first you can add the red, and then you can select the red color. So you can select just the red color, and you have to hit add new. Now once you've got the red color, you can just select any other. We've got blue over here. You can select blue from here, and that's all. You're gonna want to have to do this. So we've got red, blue, green. Same like this, you can go to this one, and we've got here gray and black, and you can select whether you need a gray and black as well. So basically we already have added the black. We haven't added, so we're gonna add first black. We're gonna select this to be black over here. You can hit add new color, and now you can add a gray one. So you can select gray, and now here you can select the gray color, which is gonna be this one, and now you can hit add new. So we've got gray, black, green, blue, and these are the colors right here coming, so you can choose every color from here. Now, once you've got these, all you gotta do is to come up here to this particular Samsung, and you have to go to basically edit product over here. And now here you can see this is actually the color already here. So you can basically click over here, you can remove it from here. And now you gotta select color from here, and then you have to hit add. So once you add the color, you're gonna wanna get every colors that your website entertains. So we've got black, and we've got gray that we will be entertaining. So for black and gray. Now what you have to do is to click save attributes over here, and now you have to go to the variations, and if there are any variations, all you got to do is to basically get rid of them. So it says before you need to add some variation on the attributes tab. So we have already added it, so we have to basically select used for variations, and now you have to hit save attributes again, and now you have to go back to the variations. So this is basically a problem that we were doing, and we've got this right here, and now you can remove any extra variations that you are getting, and now you can click create variations from all the attributes. You can hit go, and here's going to be the variations from both the attributes that are right there. So this says 2 variations added. You can click OK, and we've got this right here. Now you can add the prices. So for this one, it was for $1,500, and this one, let's suppose that you select this to be $2,000, okay? And now you can go and you can hit update. You can also change the respective images. So if you are using that particular template, that is the basic template of the website, then the images will also be changed. So now let's go down, and let's see if the colors are right here, and here it is. So the person can select the color. He can select which color he wants, and the black gray is right here. He can just hit add to cart, and he can then view the cart and move further like so. And this is basically the gray one. So that's all for the variable products. That was a detailed video, and that was basically a hack, like how you can build that particular thing. And now you must have one thing in mind, that everything can be done with the WordPress using the applications. And applications, by the applications I mean the plugins. Okay, so now you can see that we are totally done with the website. So now what you can do is that you can also do work with a single product template. So if you just click over here, then you will see that there is some gapping over here, and this gapping is right here because we designed this particular template using the Ocean WP theme. But let's suppose that if you want to change it, you can just click over here to single product, and then you can decrease the size of the content area that was there. So you can just click over here, and now you can see this is how it's looking. So once you're right in here, you have to select this column, and now you have to go to the advanced, and you have to go to the motion effects, and now here you have to set this viewport to basically up to the 50%, okay? And just keep it to 50, 53, or 52%. And now if you're done, and you will come up here and you will basically go to the post over there again, then you can see that now it's basically perfectly aligned. So that's all, and now our website is fully done. So stay tuned, guys, and bye-bye.